Hey everyone, take the partitions in the hair like this, roll your hair in this way and tie it into and interlock it in a zigzag pattern like this, make a beautiful plait and then secure it into a bun, and then with the help of your lovely pins or clutches you can tie it further. Isn't it looking pretty amazing? Proceeding further, what we are going to do, make your hair and roll it in this manner so as to get a beautiful bun in the middle and put the stick in between. Proceeding further in the video, take the partitions in the hair, thin partitions like this, and tie a knot like this, and you will end up getting a beautiful pattern. Proceeding further, again tie your hair and roll it into the form of a bun at the bottom of the hair and then secure with the help of clutches. Proceeding further, let's see what are we gonna do. Just roll your hair in this manner and then keep on making these lovely patterns. Let's see what are we going to do. Isn't it looking pretty amazing? Now secure with the help of your clips and clutches. Now let's see how are we going to make these flowery pattern in the hair. With the help of a thin rubber band, you have to keep on making these patterns in this manner, and let's see what are we going and how are we going to do this. Now what are we going to do? Just roll your hair, crisscross your hair, and you will get a beautiful bow in the middle, and with the extra hair left behind, tie it in this manner and secure with the help of your clutches. Pretty amazing, isn't it?